This hybrid does something most people completely miss. And it's not the fuel economy, it's not even the power bump. It's the way this powertrain makes 232 horses feel like way more than that. Here's what nobody tells you about the Sportage Hybrid. Most hybrids feel like you're driving an appliance. Smooth, yes. Quiet, sure, but soulless, like piloting a refrigerator through traffic. This one has a pulse. The 1.6-liter turbo kicks in with actual urgency. The electric motor doesn't just assist, it shoves you forward with instant torque. You tap the throttle and it responds like it's been waiting for you to ask. And that's the first surprise. The second, this thing hits 60 in 7.3 seconds. That's quicker than the gas-only Sportage by 2 full seconds. It's quicker than some hot hatches from 5 years ago. But here's where it gets interesting. Unlike most competitors that use a CVT that sounds like a crying robot, Kia stuck with a conventional 6-speed automatic, which means normal shifts, normal acceleration feel, no weird droning. The power delivery is linear and predictable. You press the pedal, the car moves faster. Revolutionary concept, apparently. Now here's the part most reviews bury. This isn't just about speed. The hybrid system completely transforms how this SUV drives in real-world situations. Merging onto highways? Instant. Passing slower traffic? Done before you realize you needed to. The electric motor fills in every gap where a turbo would normally hesitate. And the ride? Surprisingly composed. The Sportage floats over rough pavement without feeling disconnected. Corners stay planted without beating you up. It's that sweet spot between comfort and control that most SUVs pretend to offer but don't actually deliver. Inside, you get dual 12.3-inch screens that finally respond like they're from this decade. Wireless CarPlay and Android Auto are standard. The head-up display projects navigation right where you're already looking. And here's something practical nobody mentions enough. The second row has more legroom than the RAV4 Hybrid. The cargo area swallows 65.5 cubic feet with the seats down. You can actually use this thing for real life without playing Tetris every time you load groceries. The fuel economy? 38 mpg combined with all-wheel drive. That's not class-leading, but it's good enough that you'll stop thinking about gas stations. Now the catch. Starting at around $34,000 for the base model, this isn't the cheapest hybrid compact SUV, but the GT line model in this spec loaded with everything? That pushes closer to $40,000. Is it worth it? If you want a hybrid that doesn't feel like punishment every time you drive it, absolutely. This is the rare hybrid that makes the gas-only version feel obsolete, not just inefficient. So yeah, most people will shop the RAV4 because that's what everyone does. But this Sportage does the turbo hybrid thing better than almost anyone else. It's quick, comfortable, practical, and it doesn't make you feel like you've compromised. Next time, we're diving into something that makes even less sense on paper, but somehow works. A luxury truck that costs what small houses used to cost. You'll want to see how they justify that price tag. Drop a comment if you'd actually pick this over the usual suspects. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button and subscribe for more content just like this. Leave a comment below with your thoughts or questions. I read every single one. And don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified about my next upload. See you in the next video.